Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot Bluetooth issues on Windows. Alright, here are some few things to keep in mind. You're going to want to make sure that your computer is Bluetooth capable. What I meant by that is that you're going to want to check the manual of your particular computer if Bluetooth is part of it. Or for example here, I have a desktop, alright? And its motherboard doesn't have built-in Bluetooth. So that might be the case for you as well, because most desktop motherboards doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, and that's why you're probably having problem connecting your Bluetooth device to your computer. All right, but most laptops have Bluetooth enabled or have Bluetooth built in. So you're not going to be having problem connecting your Bluetooth devices to your laptop. And for other motherboards on a desktop computer where it has Bluetooth, but you can't connect your Bluetooth devices to it, well, here's some troubleshooting steps that you can do. All right, first up here is just go ahead and go to your search bar. All right, again, this one will work on both desktop computers and laptops that is using Windows, but you cannot connect their Bluetooth devices to it. All right, again, go to your search bar and type in Bluetooth. As you can see here, there's an option right here, find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices. This is basically a troubleshooter. Just go ahead and click on it and hit on next right here. All right, next. All right, as you can see here, the device does not have Bluetooth because my particular motherboard doesn't have a Bluetooth pre-installed. So a way to fix this to have my computer Bluetooth capable is that I'm going to purchase a Bluetooth dongle. There are a lot online and it's pretty cheap, but good for me. I already have one. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up later. All right. So again, if you have Bluetooth on your motherboard or in your laptop, the message here will be different. It could either be it is fixed or not. So if it's still not fixed, just go ahead and close this one. All right, open up your search bar again and type in device manager. All right, this won't pop up. Just go ahead and click on it. I'm going to maximize this one. All right, you should be able to see Bluetooth right here. Just go ahead and click on the drop down and click on your Bluetooth device and simply hit on update driver. All right, and simply select search automatically for drivers. Once it's done performing its thing, just go ahead and close these ones right here and go ahead and restart computer. And once done, just go ahead and try to reconnect your Bluetooth devices and it should work now. And that's how you can fix the Bluetooth issues on your computer. So again, keynotes here. If you have a desktop or even a laptop that doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth device, well, it is not possible to connect your Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth earphones, Bluetooth mouse, or any other Bluetooth devices. All right, you're going to want to find Bluetooth dongles. All right, like these ones right here. There are a lot online. Again, there are a lot online that is pretty cheap. You can use this ones, plug it in your computer. It's like a USB or a flash drive. Just go ahead and plug it in on your computer, install its driver. There will be a manual on how to do so, and you're good to go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.